I did it! Today is the big reveal of my table transformation. The purpose of this video is to show you the result of all techniques that I apply. I apply the frottage technique, the patina, and the dry brush technique. In a separate video, I'm going to show you step by step how to achieve all these techniques. It's beautiful. Now here I use some patina to make this wood look older. Gilding wax, this is copper color. And right here you can see that I also use some of the copper and the patina. I use 3 colors in this table. I also protect this with clear wax already. I'm going to add more protection for the top. Let me show you in a close-up all the details. I hope you love it because I am in love with this table. Okay, so this is the top. I think it's beautiful. I applied the technique called frottage. What it means in French from the word frotter is to rub. So I used newspaper in between the color paint that I apply, and I rubbed the newspaper against the surface of the table. To achieve this look, I applied 3 different colors. This is the first one. I applied 2 coats of this paint. It's called Palmetto by Dixie Belle. All of these are chalk paint. Then after, I apply Cobalt Blue, also by Dixie Belle. And then I apply the Peacock color. On a separate video tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to apply the frottage technique. Look at this, it's so beautiful. I think it's a beautiful technique, and it doesn't really require for anyone to be an experienced furniture painter. This technique can be achieved with just the right materials and the willingness to enjoy the process. For the skirt of the table, I use all 3 colors. I applied the Palmetto for the base, and then I apply the dry brush technique using the Peacock color and the Cobalt Blue. What this basically means is that you apply very little paint. Your brush is practically dry. You dry it in a paper towel or a plate. And for the old look, I apply the patina paint copper with the patina spray in green. When you use these 2 together, it achieves this old look. You let it dry for at least 2 to 6 hours, depends on the temperature where you're at and the humidity level, but it achieves this old look, which is beautiful. And at the bottom of the skirt of the table, I use this gilding wax in copper. Okay, so the legs basically have also the same 3 colors. The patina effect, I use dry brush, and I also use the gilding wax copper. And I went like very rustic on the bottom. And something important is to protect your work. I use this spray wax by Dixie Belle called Easy Peasy Wax. I just sprayed it and then I wipe it off with this sponge, and I use this wax all around the table.
So what do you think? I think it came out beautiful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing that. I am going to upload more videos for this table with more specific instructions on how to apply the techniques. And remember, I'm here to inspire you to be creative in your unique ways. Until later, goodbye.